left front, front right, rear right, rear left. So here we go, guys. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you on how to check power window switch. The power window switch is not working. So this is the power window, guys. I'm going. This is the drive side. It is not working. So this is the passenger side. At the rear, left and right, it is working. So I'm going to show you guys. We're gonna turn on the ignition on. See, guys, this is here, the drive side. At the left front, not working. At the passenger side, see, it is working. Okay. And the rear, it is working also. How about here? Other left passenger. Oh, it's working, guys. It is working. Okay. Okay. Yeah, everybody's working, but only this driver side. The driver side not working. So now we're going to start on how to check this. So guys, meaning to say the fuse is okay, because the fuse of this only one, 2, 3, 4, only one fuse connected this one. When I check, the fuse is okay. The fuse are working. We have to put this switch, the left front. We have to check this. So we have to the left front, this like this, guys. Here there's one slot. Okay, here dismantle the switch. We have to check the power. See, guys, I removed this one. As you can see, the switch. So we're gonna check this one. This. So we have to reconnect this. One more. So we'll try to check this. Not working, guys. This switch. So the switch, guys, is a fault. This switch is a fault. Here we go, guys. As you can see, so we're gonna have to check the switch. So this is the drive side switch. Left front, front right, rear left. So here we go, guys. As you can see, the reading of the See this one. We will start in front right. So there's a reading. There's a continuity, guys. Resistance there. So rear right. Likewise, is there a reading? So it means we need to say it's working. So rear left. Oh, there's a reading. Same thing. Is there a resistance? Now here we go. Front left. The main problem. See the switch. See, there is no any resistance. So this is the fault. This is the fault, guys. This is the one. This is the one. The front left. See, this is the front left. The fault one. Everybody starts working 1, 2, 3, but the front left doesn't working. So this is the fault. Okay, guys. So now we have to, what we have to do, we have to replace this one. There is no other choice. So the problem, I cannot open also this. Will be, might be break. Everybody's broken. So that's all. I need to order for this. Alright, guys. Finally, guys, I received my orders, and this my power window switch. Because of it will take them to take the orders. Almost 2 months I'm waiting for this. When, as you can see my previous video that I uploaded, how to test power window switch. So now finally I received my order too, because this is already broken. This is not working. Now I have to fix it now. So this is my order, just coming this one. Still hot. It's just now I received it from AliExpress. Of course this package is from customs, because their protocol need to open every its packages. Still I didn't open this one. I don't know what is inside this. So now I need to open also. First I'm going to show you. You know this before already, but this is not working. See, the driver side window, only passenger side, and the rear passenger, rear left also, it's working. So this is the one only the problem. So now I'm going to open it. What is this? Okay, this is the one. So what is this? I ordered for other spare part. And this one. Oh yes, finally I can use the, you know, this is for a crocodile jack. No, for the jack spare socket. And this one, I order a lead bulb for the panel gauge. This one, panel gauge. This is the one, guys, the switch. Okay. Okay guys, this is the one that I need. Power window switch. Okay. So now I'm going to show you. This is a very easy on how to change power window switch. Just easy to remove. Just this one. Careless harness wiring. Just remove this and this. Okay. So now we're going to try this. Okay. Success guys, look. As you can see. About the lock. Oh, finally now it's working. This driver side. This is good. Very nice guys. Good. This is just aftermarket, but it is worth it. See, it is worth it. Okay. Yes guys, it's done now. Now I have to complete to fix it, this one. I just need to remove this. Only 1, 2, 3. Only 3 screw this one. Just 3 screw. Just remove this. Like this. Okay. As you can see guys, I show you from the beginning on how to test this, test and fix a power window switch. So now very easy guys, you can do it yourself in your car. You don't need to pay anything from the technician. Easy. Just do it like this. Fix it. Okay. Okay guys, everything done. See? Perfect guys, perfect. Okay guys, thank you. this one guys, finally I get also. You know this, you just need to connect on jack, your car jack, and then put it socket, your automatic impact wrench. Just do it this, and this one a lead bulb on the panel gauge. Okay,